Good evening, all. Bobby, Two Pops Breaks. It is Friday, February the 17th, and we are breaking Bomb Box Jerseys Plus Combo Series. She's a one box or one envelope break, and we randomed up our 11 remaining numbers. 9 is what we got. Random team sales on your right. We have already randomized teams and customers. Alphabetized y'all. Gave you a chance to trade. Had a couple offers, nothing got accepted. Alright, here we go. Bam. Well, but going to be the Mets. 4 times assigned the starting 4 guys for the Mets. Bam! Also going to be a Minnesota hit, folks. Bam! $50 room credit for Arizona, guys. Well, shit, looks like I forgot my freebie spot, folks. So we'll random up a freebie spot while we do the helmet qualifier, guys. Sorry, looks like I forgot to put the free spot in there. Alright, so Arizona getting a 50 room credit. Who is Arizona? The Joey. Mets. Wow, man, Matt. Well, Matt, making up a little ground in that box, aren't ya? Don't tell me it's Minnesota, too. Alright, well, Gigi is going to take the AP. Alright, and we'll random up the freebie spot, guys. What we'll do is when we do our qualifier, the guy on the bottom of the qualifier will get the freebie spot, guys. Let me just grab these. Gonna be Mr. Adrian Peterson, Beckett Witness hologram on that going to Gigi. Alright, Mets starting 4, signed by 4. I'm gonna be honest, I forget who the hell they are. I'll have to look that up. Matt Sig's a little bit bleeding because he signed it so small there. But bam, I'll have to look up who that is, guys. I forget who those are, if anybody does know. I know one of them's good, and I can't remember the other ones, though. Again, JSA on that. And you got Bird alive twice, bud. Yeah, those do not want to come out, man. I'm sorry there, Joe, but yeah, those damn Burt Reynolds do not seem to want to freaking come out. You still got 2 of them in there. No, it wasn't Nolan Ryan, I don't think. It was a starting 4. Like I said, I'll look it up in a second here, guys. Let me bring up my qualifier real quick while I'm looking it up. Guys, man, got something caught in my damn throat here. Alright, so 2 of Matt's come out. One of Gigi's. God, I feel like I got something caught in my damn throat here. Gooden, Ojeda, Darling, and Sid are the guys. Yep, are the players. Gooden, Ojeda, Darling, and Sid. Alright guys, this is for the qualifier for the Robert O'Neill tactical helmet. The top 2 will be the qualifier. The person on the bottom is going to get the free spot for next break, guys. No 2s for or higher. Don't know what's with all the 2s tonight. Alright, we got a 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. Alex and Matt. Wow, Jesus, man. Matt hit 3 of the friggin' items there, man, including the qualifiers. That's going to be qualifier 49 and 50. We are down to 10 envelopes left, guys. Let's see who won our freebie. Wow, Cherubim. Well, I'm sorry, Cherry, you haven't hit much else, but you managed to get a free spot in all 3 breaks there. Alright, so Chera going to be the freebie spot for next break, guys. That is gonna wrap up that one. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Bob at 2 Pops Breaks.